Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Okeke Esther. In our last video, we talked about wet digestion for mineral analysis, where acids were combined and were introduced to samples for their distribution, and then they were taken to the AS for further analysis. And in this video, we'll be talking about the AS machine, the working principle. First of all, the sample is introduced. As you can see, the sample is introduced to the machine. This is the flame chamber, or you see this is the atomizer, the flame atomizer. When the sample is being introduced, what happens next is the sample is vaporized and converts into a gas of free atoms. Here you can see the samples we are working on. We pick them one after the other and then introduce it to this nebulizer, and then the nebulizer takes the sample from its ground state down to an excited state in the flame atomizer. Now what happens next is there is a light source that emits light at the wavelength of the element, and then this light source, each of the element has a specific light source. Just like for example, you're working with you want to determine or you want to check the concentration of copper in a sample. You just have to, the light source, or which is the hollow cathode lamp of copper, should be present in that the light source as the light source. So copper has its own hollow cathode lamp, and then the light passes through the gaseous sample. Remember we said the sample was vaporized, so now the light passes through the gaseous sample. Here the atoms are in the sample absorbs the light at a specific wavelength. Then the amount of the light that is absorbed is measured by the detector. There you can be able to get the concentration of that element present.